Welcome back to my YouTube channel, your go-to channel for tech tips and tricks. If your iPhone is struggling with battery life, you are in the right place. Let's get started with 9 easy steps to fix that battery drainage. First of all, update your software. For updating your software, go to settings and scroll down, go to general and software update. Guys, as you can see, I'm using my updated version of software. If you are using an old version of software, then update, because if you are using an old version of software, it is the main reason of battery drainage. And the next step is reduce screen brightness. For doing this, keep your screen brightness low. You can adjust it quickly from the control center by sweeping up and sliding the brightness bar down. Once you did it, go all the way back and apply the third step. And the third step is enable auto brightness. Once you go back, just scroll down and go to settings and then go to display and brightness. Once you hear enable auto brightness to let your iPhone adjust the brightness automatically based on your environment. After doing this, go all the way back to the settings and apply the next step. And the next step is turn off unnecessary location services. Turn off unnecessary location services. Go to settings and privacy, background and privacy. Then here is background app refresh. Just toggle it off. Once you have done, then go back all the way back to the settings, main setting,
and apply the
options,
fifth solution,
and
that is
scroll down,
disable background
and
app refresh.
disable background
Once
app
you are here,
refresh. For doing this, go to
stop
settings
apps
and go
from
to
running in the
general
background,
and then background
go to
apps
settings,
refresh.
and
Turn
then
it off for
scroll
all
down and
apps
click on
and
general.
selectively disable it. You can off for all apps or selectively disable. It is depends on you. After doing this, go all the way back in the settings and use low power mode. Go to settings and then battery. As you can see, here is an option. This is second option, low power modes. Toggle it on. This is the main reason why your battery drainage. After doing this, go back to this all the way back to the settings and limit notifications. This is the second solution. Limit your notifications to only essential apps. Go to the settings and after going to the settings, click on notifications and choose which apps can send you alerts. Scroll down and which apps do you want to send notifications, toggle it on, and then go back all the way back in the settings and apply last solution, that is check battery usage. Check battery usage in settings. Go to the settings, scroll down and click on the battery. Here you can see which apps are using the most power. If something draining too much, you might need to adjust your usage according to your aim and go all the way back. And there you have it. 9 steps help your iPhone battery last longer. If these tips helped you out, make sure it hit that like button, subscribe and ring the bell for more tips according to